All right. All right, guys. Let's look at internal CSS style sheets. We've looked at inline style sheets. So internal CSS style sheets is still inside your HTML page, just like the inline style sheet, inline CSS, right? So the only difference is that for this one, it's added on the head, right? So look at your code now. You see this inline style sheet is added inline in your code. You can add it to the p tag. You can make this p tag still using inline, although we are doing this internal now. You can make this p tag. What can we change here? We can change the font, the font size. I want to increase it. I don't know if okay. Yeah, it should work. Font size. I want to make it. I want to make it okay. Let's see the current size. So what I'll do is um let's see. Let me come out from here and let's see what we have here. So this is your p tag now, and you can see the current size is very small. So I want to increase it to like 20 pixel. So let's see how 20 pixel will look like. So I'll save. See how big it is. If I want to make it bigger, let's make it times two. Let's make it 40 pixel, which doesn't make sense. But you see how big it is. So I'm gonna remove all of this. Let's leave it the way it was. I just want to drive things. So I want things to sync. So bear with me. So going to internal style sheets. The difference here is that you are adding it to the head, inside the head, not the body. Inline is added inside the body, right? But inside this head. So all we need to do here is probably come here and create a style. Expecting something to pop up. Style. Yes. So inside the style, we can pick up anything and add it, right? So let's see. So we've done H1 before. We can take up anything. Let's say let's not do H3. Let me see if I can pick up any other thing. Let's pick up input. That's the input box. So I'm gonna pick input now. So input is the selector. Remember, your tags and all of that, they are the selector. Then, so just like this H1 here. So what do I want to do with input? I want to make the padding, that's inside. Well, I want to make it 10 pixel. Before we make any change, let's see what we have already, and you will see the change that will be reflected. So you can see it. Yeah, you can see. So when I type my name Paul, you see there's no space in between, like it's just typed. So I think padding will give it more space inside the box. So let me save this now. So if I save and check again, you can see the box is now bigger and you can see there's space. So if I type Paul, I see we have spaces around it. But this 10 pixels is quite big for that thing, so I'll make it like 6. It should be okay. It should Yeah, it should be okay. So that's how to style. So you can pick up anything. You can pick up table and style it. You can pick up div. So I can work on div actually and give it. What else can I do here? Let's see. So let's give margin. Margin is for outside, padding is for inside. So margin, let's give it a margin of same 6 pixel. Let's see how that looks like. You can see now it's not separated. It was together before, so it makes sense. So this audio, you can separate audio and video to from each other. So to do that, I've worked on input now. So if I want to work on something else, I have to create it. So audio is the selector, right? So I want to give it a margin. Margin is a property. Then the value is the quantity of what I want to adjust. So I want to give it like 10 pixel margin. So if I save this, you see now there's not a space. I can make it 20 pixels so there will be more space, right? You can see the more space now. So it's making sense. So that's how you style. This table is very scattered. You can actually style it better, but that maybe later. So that's how to style internally. Internally has to be inside your head section. Inline has to be inside your HTML, inside the yeah. So that's that for internal. So next we look at external style sheet.